Hello everybody and welcome back to my Introduction to Bash Scripting video series. In this video we're going to learn how to use Bash comments. As with any programming languages, you can add comments to your scripts so that you or your colleagues could understand the code better by reading the comments. So let's go back to the terminal and open the .sh file from the last video, and here to create a comment all that you need to do is add a DS sign in the beginning of the line. So just like this, let's put a DS sign and add this is a comment. After that, let's go ahead and comment all of the lines in this script. So above the read line, we can put a short sentence describing what this does. So it asks the user for their name. And here we can put a short comment saying that it greets the user. Then if you run the bash script, it would run as normal without seeing the comments. So basically the comments are not executed at all. For example, if you run a ls command with a ds sign in front of it, it would not show any output, as bash would interpret it as a comment. And this is pretty much it. This is how you can use comments to document your script and make it easier for other people to understand what you had in mind when you're writing the script. Of course, with a simple script it might not be needed, but when the script gets more complex, it's good to have some comments. This is going to be pretty much for this video, and if you like it, make sure to hit the subscribe button, and I'll see you next.